जोहार हजारीबाग। मैं फैज़ अनवर, आप देख रहे हैं एचबी लाइव। आज एचबी लाइव मेरे साथ है डीएवी के दो छात्र, श्रद्धा सगारिका जो क्लास 10th में है और कौमल्या नंदी जो क्लास 11th में है। दोनों आज इसलिए है यहाँ पे क्योंकि इन्होंने फिर से जो टैलेंट सर्च प्रोग्राम होता है, जो ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम होता है, उसमें इन्होंने थर्ड आए हैं। 2 दिन पहले आप लोगों को हमने दिखाया था एक और छात्र अर्नब मिश्रा के बारे में, जिसने इस प्राइज़ को इस कंपटीशन में फर्स्ट जीता था। उसी सेम कंपटीशन में लेकिन अलग वर्ग में, अलग क्लास में, क्लास 10th और क्लास 11th कैटेगरी में इन्होंने थर्ड प्राइज़ लाया है। तो श्रद्धा, ये बताइए कैसे तैयारी किया आपने और किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते थे? कितने लोग पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं ऐसे टेस्ट में?
In this type of examination, 100 to 200 students usually participate, and this exam is conducted in 2 levels. First of all is zonal level, and the second one is state, and then is national level as well. So
ये नेशनल लेवल था, स्टेट लेवल?
State level. So I qualified in zonal, and I was district topper, third. I was third district topper. So I qualified to state level. Then state level was conducted, and then I got to know when the results were out that I was third state topper.
Third all over state?
All over the state.
In the district you came?
Third.
In
Then
the district you came topper, na?
No, in the district as well I was third. Then in the state as also I became
you got
third.
So which type of questions came in this exam?
Study materials were provided, and based on that there were questions, and also there were questions related to NCERT, science. Basically science and maths were questions. Some were a bit higher level like 11th and 12th, and some were of 10th level. So
is it normal from your course of study, or is it different? Questions are different from the normal courses of examination, or is it
it's a bit difficult. Usually questions are normal, but some questions are tricky that need some logic to solve.
Okay, so during lockdown the classes are not going on, so how do you prepare? How do you get time to study?
This was informed actually in the month of September. We were informed to register in VVM by the school. Our school told us to get registered in the VVM. So I got registered, and it was conducted I think in the month of November. So there was sufficient time to revise. So I revised consistently, giving 1 to 2 hours a day. So I gave 1 to 2 hours reading the study materials and going through a bit like Olympiad level questions, MCQ questions. So it was like that only. I prepared that way.
So Kौmल्या Nandi, how do you get to know about this examination?
Every year the school only motivates their students to and tell them about this examination. So this year also I came to know about this examination from my teachers only.
So were you preparing beforehand, or after the registration you got time?
No, I always had a keen interest in this Olympiad and talent search examination, and I have been participating in this type of examination since class 1. So when I came to know about this particular examination this year, I started preparing for this examination. The VVM also provided some study materials that helped me a lot during the examination.
So how do you miss the rank 1? I mean, rank 1 position. What went wrong?
That I exactly can't tell now. There were some practical based questions. I think some questions I must have missed, and some lack of practice.
You are in
was
11th
there.
class?
Yes.
So what kind of questions came? I mean, is it from physics, chemistry, math?
No, this VVM exam is a fully out-of-box exam. Mainly the Olympiad exams, these are all book exams, but this exam is mainly based on practical knowledge. You must have a minimum practical knowledge.
India's largest science talent.
Yes, it's a science. You have to have overall knowledge in all the sectors.
So is there any relationship with innovation or something kind of?
Yes, the questions are very innovative because there is a particular section in which there is a video is there, and we have to see the practical video. There is a practical is conducted by the teachers.
Okay.
So it is a very innovative type of exam, and very practical skills are also required to answer the questions.
So is it different from the normal course which you study in the class, or?
No, some questions are based on NCERT also.
What experience did you get when you saw the video, and after interpreting the video, how do you answer that? Because in schools you don't get this kind of study material where you see video and then you have to answer the questions.
No, in the video they were conducting some experiments, and based on the experiment we have to fully with full concentration we have to see the video and note every single point that is shown in the video, and from the video only we can usually get the answers if we see the video very carefully.
Okay, so you also got the that same pattern, the video
Yes.
pattern or the audio pattern?
Seniors from 9th to I think 11th had the same pattern of questions. First were of NCERT based questions, then were on the study materials provided, and the second part was of the experimental basis on which videos were shown, and we have to see the video and we have to answer that.
So ये देखिए विज्ञान विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन जो है एक इनोवेटिव टाइप का प्रोग्राम करा रहा है, एक नया टाइप का प्रोग्राम करा रहा है, और जिससे ऐसे छात्रों को जिनको इन नई चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट है, इनोवेशन करना चाहते हैं, वो लोग भाग लेते हैं और अपने आप को इस एग्ज़ाम के लिए तैयार करते हैं। सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है तैयारी कैसे करते हैं। एक माइंडसेट होता है, आप स्कूल में क्लासेस में जो पढ़ाई करते हैं वो एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, पास करने के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं। अगर 10th में है तो बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम पे कंसंट्रेशन करते हैं, सारा फोकस उसी पे होता है। लेकिन कुछ नया होता है, कुछ आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आता है, तो उसकी तैयारी कैसे करते हैं। तो आप लोगों को तैयारी में किसने सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प किया, मम्मी पापा या फिर स्कूल, किसने हेल्प किया?
There was support both from the
Equal
parents
support,
also and
yeah.
the teachers, and my honorable principal sir has also very much helped me in this preparation.
So does anyone motivated you to say that why are you wasting your time in these type of exam, because you have got board exams coming in 1 month or 2 month time?
No, this exam is also a very prestigious exam. So when I told them that it is also an exam, they also supported me and motivated me constantly, because they also know that it was a very prestigious exam, and if I qualified, it will also be a very good achievement for me.
And you are in 10th class, so
Yes.
your board exams are also going on. So apart from your course of study, if you are studying extra, maybe your parents might be saying that why are you wasting your time?
No, that's not at all the case, because from childhood onwards they have always encouraged and told me to participate in all sorts of competitive exams, because we have by applying to or getting through the questions of competitive exams, we have to make our mind go through a different way. It increases our logical and analytical power, and if we pass the 10th, then in our careers we need more this type of, we have to challenge these questions more rather than the what we are doing in the board. So it's very nice to participate.
So there might be many students who are in 9th or 8th or who are in 10th class, they will go in 11th next year. So what suggestions would you like to give them to qualify for these kind of exams or prepare? What kind of mindset they should have to prepare for this kind of examination?
That don't only limit your knowledge to the book knowledge, we should also have the practical skill knowledge and the general knowledges also, because in this examination only the things that are written in the books, that only don't come. We have to know different type of questions, the questions which may come in competitive exams. So we should have a very much vast knowledge for these questions, and when experimental knowledges and practical skill based knowledges, this type of questions come in this exam. So we have to
हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे कि डीएवी स्कूल में हर साल इतने ज़्यादा प्राइजेज आते हैं, इतने ज़्यादा बच्चे अलग अलग एग्जामिनेशन में, अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स में, अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्ट लेते हैं और फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड लेकर आते हैं, मेडल्स लेकर आते हैं, प्राइजेस लेकर आते हैं। आप लोगों को एक बात और बताऊंगा कि जो रोल यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल निभा रहे हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्कूल्स ऐसे होते हैं यहाँ के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं इस तरह के प्रोग्राम में, लेकिन उनको प्रोत्साहन नहीं दिया जाता है, मोटिवेट नहीं किया जाता है। लेकिन डीएवी एक ऐसा स्कूल है जहाँ पे जो भी कुछ नया करना चाहता है उसको और मोटिवेट किया जाता है, उसको इस लायक बनाया जाता है कि उस प्रोग्राम में जाए और जीत कर आए। और जो कप मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा यहाँ डीएवी में सजा हुआ है, ये उसी का नतीजा है कि बच्चों को फ्री हैंड दिया जाता है कि आप अगर साइंस में हैं तो साइंस में अच्छा करें, आपको पूरी आज़ादी है। आप अगर आर्ट्स में हैं तो आर्ट्स में अच्छा करें, पूरी आज़ादी है। स्पोर्ट्स में हैं तो स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा करें। यही कारण है कि बच्चे इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे बहुत आगे जाते हैं और अपने आप को उस तरह से बनाते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं फैज़ अनवर, डीएवी स्कूल से एचपी लाइव।